Hey everyone, down by the river today. I'm gonna set up a new Campingmoon fire pit / grill. It's by Campingmoon. Comes in this nice little carry bag, well constructed, well stitched. Base also sit on the ground and use it as a fire pit, or if you want to kneel down or sit down and do your grilling, you can do it that way too. Comes with these great instructions. It's even got a section that's written in Englishese. All the parts store nicely in there. Your frame is the most difficult part. You got to hook that into the bottom and make sure you eat your Wheaties in the morning, because this takes some good effort to get that to lock in. And again, put the bottom one in. Need more Wheaties. It's got nice rounded caps if you want to set it on the ground. Well, for this we're going to pop on the legs. Spring loaded clips, you just give it a good shove and it goes right in.
How you doing, buddy?
All right, yourself?
Oh, just checking to see if there's any fish down here.
I'll go. All right, so a fella wanted to know what was going on here, so I demonstrated this for him real quick. And now we'll get back to it. You'll notice the nice Campingmoon logo there. Pull out the ashtray from our little bag of tricks. Hook it on there. It needs some sides. Burn some wood or coal. Need a bottom plate. Drop it in there. You need your wood or coal rack. And of course, a cooking surface if you're going to do some cooking. You light your fire. I think it's a pretty neat setup. It stores nicely. Anything I'd like to see. Let's get you all closer over here. Some sliding doors for the air vents down here would be nice. That it doesn't have. And of course, if you're into smoke and stuff, you might want a cover for it. A top lid. Doesn't need to be anything fancy. I figure guess you could get away with using like a camping skillet pan or something. Toss on top of your steaks, burgers, whatever it is you're making. But it sets up quick. It comes apart quick. It's all stainless steel, stamped or rolled over edges, but you know, I've seen on some of the reviews that people get upset because it's got some sharp edges. You're dealing with sheet metal basically. It's all stainless steel, but it's still metal and it's going to have some sharp edges, so be careful when you won't cut yourself. And, you know, it goes away just as quick. Right back in the bag she goes after I clean it up. And of course they have a bigger one. This one's 16 pounds. It's good size for me. The bigger one, if you want to burn, you know, wood mostly, you might be interested in the big one. And they also have the ones that just sit on the ground, don't have the legs. But being a beat up old guy, the legs would be handy for me. Anyway, I think it's pretty cool, and hopefully we get a day where the wind don't pick up and I can go out and barbecue. Unfortunately, today is supposed to turn and start raining around dinner time, so yep, I'll have to wait for another day. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.